Introducing Metanail, your ultimate solution for healthy nails and beautiful feet. This groundbreaking 20-in-1 nail and feet essential formula is meticulously designed to deliver superior and long-lasting results, supporting every aspect of your nails and feet's total well-being. Imagine stepping out with confidence, showcasing nails that are not only stunning, but also resilient and nourished from within. With Metanail, say goodbye to the constant worry of brittle nails and uncomfortable feet. Our formula works diligently to repair, rejuvenate, and revitalize, giving you the freedom to express yourself without hesitation. What sets Metanail apart is its comprehensive approach. Each ingredient is carefully chosen to address common concerns, from dryness and discoloration to strengthening and nourishing. The result is a harmonious blend that promotes overall health and beauty. Whether your feet ache from daily hustle or your nails need that extra TLC, Metanail has you covered. Our formula goes beyond surface-level care, penetrating deep to offer lasting benefits. Visualize your nails growing stronger each day, their natural shine and luster restored. Envision feet that feel as good as they look, smooth, soft, and ready to take on any challenge. That's the power of Metanail's cutting-edge formula, created for people who demand more from their personal care products. And it's not just about aesthetics. Healthy nails and feet play an integral role in your overall health and well-being. By choosing Metanail, you're investing in a holistic approach that supports self-care and boosts confidence. It's time to pamper yourself with the best that science and nature have to offer. Transform your routine into a rejuvenating experience. With Metanail, you're not only treating your nails and feet, you're indulging in a ritual of self-love and care. Don't just take our word for it. Experience the remarkable transformation for yourself. Unleash the beauty of healthy nails and fabulous feet today with Metanail, where exceptional quality meets natural elegance. Discover the difference, feel the results, love the transformation with Metanail, your new essential for healthy nails and beautiful feet.